All right, my beard is starting to look a little bit homeless. So I thought I'd bring this beard trimmer in and see if my wife can't recognize me anymore. She says, hey buddy, you need to do something about that when it gets to this wild and scratchy stage. If you guys know what I'm talking about. No longer are we gonna look homeless with this beard trimmer right here. One of the unique features about this particular beard trimmer that I kind of like is that it's lightweight, plus it is USB-C, and not only is the fact that it's USB-C, but if you take this traveling with you and you leave it in your bag and you're like, oh, I forgot to charge it. Well, guess what? You can charge it with your phone's charger, and in 5 minutes, it's gonna get you a full shave. So you can just leave it plugged in for 5 minutes, go do something else, come back, and you're gonna get a full, complete shave with this beard trimmer. Now this beard trimmer right now, it does come with a bunch of different accessories. You just pop this off if you wanna switch any of these accessories out. So right here, the one that I just took off is your beard trimmer. If you wanna give yourself a haircut, you can do that by just slapping that on. Any one of these guards over here will help you get that. Now, I personally don't use these because I personally don't trust myself to cut my own hair. I just don't do it. But if you are that talented where you can do it, or you're cutting somebody else's hair, you can use these for that as well. These are probably the two attachments that I use the most, and sometimes that one. So beard trim, getting that mustache trim or that fine tuning trim, and then your nose trimmers. We're gonna put the beard trimmer back on because that's what I need to be using today. So we're gonna get that guy back on there. It does come with some oil for you as well. And then you have different types of beard attachments depending on the degree or the size that you want to go. And it is super easy to kick that beard attachment on just like that. That beard guard on there for the beard trimmer. All of this is well and good, but if it doesn't trim the hair, if it doesn't do a good job, toss it out. It's going to the trash. So we need to go test this out. Can this turn me from the homeless look to my wife's gonna let me go to bed tonight look? And hopefully it does. And one last thing I will mention is that it has about 2 hours of runtime before you need to charge it. So other than that, let's go test it out and let's see how it works. All right, you can see I just kind of did my face on this side right here, and don't judge this beard trimmer by the way that I trim my beard. I think I went a little bit too close. I should have had a bigger guard on here, but it does give you that option. So I tend to always try to get more precision with here. It gave me good lines, and with this guy, I can get more detailed lines and get in there a little bit. So if you're looking for a great beard trim that can last 2 hours of battery life and give you a full beard trim with just 5 minutes of plugging this in when the battery is completely dead, I'd say for me, this is gonna live in my travel case so that I know that I can have a beard trimmer when I wanna look sharp when I'm on the go.